In today's video, I'm going to teach you insert video title here. We're going to walk through how to take a project from start to finish on submagic.co and download your final video with the right settings. I'll keep things clear and simple so you can follow along whether you're starting a new project or picking up an existing one. First, open your browser and head to submagic.co. Log in with your credentials, and if you see multiple workspaces or accounts, choose the one you want to work in. That ensures you're editing and exporting from the correct place. Once you're on your dashboard, you'll have two options: create a new project or open an existing one. If you're starting fresh, create a project and add your media as needed. If you already have something in progress, open that project to continue. Inside the project, take a moment to make any edits you need. This is the time to adjust timing, fix text, polish visuals, and make sure your content looks and reads the way you want. A quick review helps catch small details before export. When you're happy with your project, it's time to export. Click the export option. You'll be prompted to choose the quality in the frames per second, or FPS. Quality typically refers to resolution, such as 720p or 1080p, and higher resolutions look sharper but create larger files. FPS controls how smooth your video appears. For most social and web use, 24 or 30 FPS works well. If you've got fast motion or need extra smoothness, 60 FPS can be a good choice. Pick the settings that match where you plan to post the video, then click Export again to continue. A new tab will open to finalize a few details. Here, change the name of your video to something clear and descriptive so it's easy to find later. You can also edit the caption. Keep it concise and relevant, since this caption can help viewers quickly understand the content. Double-check spelling and tone, and make sure it aligns with your project goals. Once everything looks good, click Download when the export is complete. If you see a progress indicator, let it finish fully. Then choose where to save the file on your device so you can access it easily for sharing or uploading. And that's it. You went from logging in, choosing your account, selecting or creating a project, editing your content, exporting with the right settings, finalizing the title and caption, and downloading your finished video. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you move smoothly from edit to export.